Hey everyone, welcome to episode 1 of Sounds of Springs from Released Outdoors and 4 Thumbs Up Hunting Productions. It's Friday, March 22nd. It's the morning before turkey season. We rode down to the farm this morning and we got down here before daylight. Heard one turkey gobble so far. He only gobbled one time, didn't get it on video unfortunately. So we're gonna come out here on this field, owl hoot a little bit, see if we can't hear any more. And we got the AR with us this morning too, just in case some hogs or coyotes come out. We'll see what the rest of the morning brings and hopefully get some good scouting in for tomorrow morning. Well, that's not exactly what we were hoping for this morning, but at least we did hear a gobbler. It's the same gobbler I think that we heard last time we were down here. He's in the same spot, so at least we know where one is using. Didn't hear anything else. Saw a deer down in this field when we were listening. Called up an owl, so that was pretty cool. We're just gonna go sit in the truck. It's pretty chilly, so I'm hoping that's what has these turkeys quiet this morning. I'm hoping they have their heads tucked and hoping it warms up for tomorrow morning. Maybe that'll have them a little more active. So we're just gonna go sit in the truck, listen for a little while longer, then maybe do a little bit more scouting middle of the day, see where these turkeys are using. So thumbs up and looking forward to tomorrow. Well, we just got camp set up, had some lunch. So this afternoon we're gonna focus on checking out these fields, seeing if there are any turkeys using in the afternoons, and hopefully getting the sack a little early and prepare for hopefully a good hunt in the morning. So we'll see how the afternoon goes. Thumbs up, and hopefully we'd have some good luck scouting this afternoon. Well, we've got a strutter right down here in the edge of this field. He's just inside the wood line. It's funny, we had a feeder out here. There's another turkey. It's like a hen down there. We had a feeder out here in February, a couple trail cameras, probably about 30 yards from where he's at right now, and did not get a single picture of a turkey. But he is throwing down. He's been throwing down for about the past 20 minutes, and who knows how long he was out there before I got here. He's got 3 or 4 hens, but there's another hen that just walked out down here. So I'm gonna say they're definitely using this field, because right behind me is where we saw those 4 a few weeks ago, and then the one's been gobbling just down on the other side of this field. So it's exciting. He's super pretty over there strutting. Can't wait for tomorrow. Dad just got in the house. Didn't know if he was gonna be staying tonight or not, but it looks like he made it down this afternoon. So get out, see if he wants to go see if this turkey's still out here and take a look at him. Hey everyone, so we had a pretty exciting day. Day before the 2019 turkey season. Saw at least 2 different gobblers, maybe 3, several hens. One of the gobblers that was strutting this afternoon was henned up. He may be a little bit difficult to call in tomorrow, but we know where they're using. We're gonna get a good night's sleep tonight, wake up early, and get after them. So thank you for joining in to season 1 of Sounds of Spring from Released Outdoors and 4 Thumbs Up Hunting Productions, and we will see you in the morning. Morning everyone, welcome to the 2019 opening day of turkey season. Got a good night rest last night. Coyotes and whippoorwills were really going crazy all night, but still got some good sleep. We're about to get up and eat a little bit of breakfast, and then we will go to our listening spot and hopefully have some good luck this morning. So we will see you around daylight. One goblin and we're gonna go after him. He's a couple hundred yards away. Well, we had one gobble early. He shut up about 8 o'clock. We heard some hens, so he must have got with him. It's been quiet ever since. Hopefully it's just early season, but we're gonna hang out, see if we hear him. Hopefully. exciting. I thought I had his body and it must have been a log. I was so far off. Clean miss. So it's been game over with a shotgun. This archery stuff puts a whole nother level to it. Well, the guy did his part this morning. The turkey started gobbling on the roost a little bit. We set up in the field where we had seen him yesterday, and he kind of went the opposite direction. So we came up here and got on this gas line that we're sitting on now. Gobbled for a little bit and then he shut up for a little while. We waited him out, and then it was about 9:30. Dad made a call and he gobbled to him, and he was a little bit closer, but he had a hen with him, and they kind of went down below us, so we set up on a different spot on this gas line. Got into a call off with the hen. She got real angry. She came by us at about 10 yards or more, or less, and he was right behind her. I could hear him drumming up through there. He came in and I had to draw back without being able to see him, but she was right there at us, and she flew off and he got kind of skittish. I drew back and I thought I had a clear shot at his body, but it must have been a log or something that I was looking at that was dark, and I missed him by about a foot to the left. So he flew off, but I don't think they knew what was going on. So hopefully we can get back on him later on today or tomorrow. But this right here puts a whole nother aspect to it. That could have been a dead turkey with a shotgun. We keep on trying to get one with the bow, and without a blind makes it that much more difficult. So it was fun to hear one, and at least we got on one, and that was awesome. Well, we were leaving from our late morning spot, didn't hear anything, and we were driving out and we saw a flock of birds in the field that we saw them in yesterday. So we're gonna sneak around and try to get to the strutting spot where he was yesterday and hopefully cut him off before he gets there. So we snuck over here, got into the place where he was at yesterday, and ran into a bunch of cows. Just get in this ditch. Just take it easy. I don't want the cows to run. just got down to this bottom pasture where we saw a lot of sign last night, peeked over this hill. Well, the afternoon was just about as exciting as the morning. We got on those birds over there in that other field, got out in front of them. They turned and went the other direction. So we came down here to this field where we saw all the sign yesterday and peeked over this hill. There were two gobblers just laying out there. And so we set up on the edge of the field, hit the box call, and a hen answered, and one of the gobblers gobbled. And the hen came running in. The gobblers kind of circled around the field and came into about 60 yards. The hen came into about 30 yards, and when she didn't see the other turkey or us calling, she turned and went the other way, and the gobblers kind of followed her. So they're still henned up right now, but it's early season, so it's been a good day. We've seen 4 gobblers and 8 hens, so can't complain about that for an opening day. Well, good morning everyone. It's Sunday, March 24th, day 2 of the Georgia turkey season. Yesterday we had a pretty awesome day for opening day. We're hoping that continues this morning. All the gobblers we saw yesterday had hens with them, so I think it's a pretty short gobbling time frame in the mornings. We're hopeful that maybe the one that we shot at yesterday got away from his hen and he'll be fired up trying to find her this morning. So I think we're going to start off over that way and see where the morning takes us. So hopefully we have some good luck, and thumbs up. So we got the breakfast of champions this morning. Girl Scout cookies, Thin Mints. I'm gonna get a few of these in for good luck, and we're gonna head to our listening spot. Well, we just got to the spot yesterday where we got on this bird, hoping that he's still in the general area, and then he hammers this morning. One of the birds that we saw yesterday afternoon also headed this way, so I think we've got 2 gobblers in the area. Unfortunately, they both still had hens. Hopefully they'll gobble this morning. This bird is just 100, 150 yards down from us, down this hill. These pines drop down into a hardwood ridge and it gets real open, so we can't move too close because he'll see us. I think we're set up about where he was roosted, so we're hoping he makes his way back this way. Hopefully have some good luck. Well, that's going to wrap up the first weekend of the Georgia turkey season. This morning we heard several gobblers. One was pretty close on the roost. Flew down and went kind of the opposite direction than where we sat up, closer to him after our initial setup, and got about 100, 150 yards from him, and he got in one spot and just stood there and gobbled for about an hour, hour and a half this morning. The woods were kind of wide open, so we couldn't get any closer to where he was. So I had some things I had to do this afternoon, so we opted to back out, not spook him. We were walking back to the truck and looked out in the field, and he had actually moved out into the field with 2 hens. So I think that's why we had a difficult time calling them this weekend. I think they're still henned up. Overall, we had a successful weekend. We saw a bunch of turkeys about everywhere we went on the farm. I'm looking forward to the rest of the season. We got some birds to chase down here. So it's still the first weekend. It's still early in the season. So thanks for joining in with us for Sounds of Spring episode 1 by Released Outdoors and 4 Thumbs Up Hunting Productions. We thank you for all the support, and hope you continue to follow along with us this turkey season.